Today is 14th December 2024. Um, there are some group of imposters in Africa using my identity. They say he's a snake, calling himself my brother, killing people. They say he's called Seth or whatever. I haven't sent anyone to kill for me. I'm bringing peace to the galaxy. I'm thinking of how to develop the galaxy. Lord Shiva, Lucifer, Yahweh, the Anunnakis, they killed my dinosaurs, destroyed my kidney. But I have forgiven them all. Why will I start a war in your word? They killed my dinosaurs and took my own angels. And they lied to the angels and the humans. They made all things on earth. Meanwhile, they are not gods. I took Yahweh to school in abroad. The Anunnaki Enki. So if you need anything, call me on phone. Broadcast wherever happening. Track the phone. I've recorded many videos. Broadcast wherever happening on earth to the galaxy. Let them know I'm not the one causing war among you. Secondly, the Galaxy Kingdom will bring the headquarters to Earth because of the traitors there. The Council of Elders are traitors. They send the Anunnaki Yahweh to destroy the dinosaurs. My mother is a traitor. Florence is working with the giants, saying they will cut off my head and bomb the Africans. I cannot build my administration in the midst of traitors. That you are witnesses. Wherever I left there, they have destroyed it. For how long are we going to let incompetent people destroy everything good your king will build, and your king will be incarnated and continue? For how long? We have to get rid of the evil people from the administration of government once and for the good and for the prosperity and the future of the galaxy. So this time we developed the void. The void, we haven't done anything there. That is why they wanted to kill me. I'm the king of the whole galaxy, not the king of the Hindu gods with 4 hands and 4 feet. So if you are doing development, develop the entire galaxy. This time, the whole galaxy will develop the void together as one. There is peace in all the 7 kingdoms. We have all unite, and my witness is you. What we dreamed for thousands of years have now come to pass. So forgive Lucifer all his crime. What he did brought the unity and peace no one ever expected. Peace without war, peace without violence, peace without bloodshed. Those who fought, I didn't send them. So you cannot add their war and their bloodshed blame to me. So let's focus on the void. Let's develop there once and for all.